Here we have my AEG Ultraflex Hoover, which I received on Wednesday. It was relatively easy to put together, apart from this silver hose here, which I found a little bit difficult, which I had to get my husband to help, and he also found that a little bit tricky. Right, onto the main review. We have the power regulator, which goes low to high for the different cleaning surfaces. We have a 12-metre power cable. There's a cable rewind button. On the opposite side we have the power switch for on and off. Here we have the dustbin, which is relatively easy to come off by pushing the button on the top and pulling off. On the bottom of this we have an orange button, which we just push down and it opens up really easy. It also has a max line for emptying. On this Hoover we have 3 filters, one in the rear, which comes out, like so. We also have a coned shape filter in here, and also, which I find a little bit tricky to undo, is our third filter here. These are all washable, and obviously if you wash them you need to leave them for 24 hours to dry out before putting them back in your Hoover and using them. We have 2 handles, one on top and either side, depending on what you're doing, maybe carrying it up the stairs. This is very helpful. There's also 2 parking slots for your main part of the Hoover. One here and one at the back here. Now for the Hoover parts. This one I found really helpful for hoovering underneath the sofa, especially with the telescopic pole, which has a little button here which you push down and pull the pole apart. For this Hoover piece I found it really helpful, whether it was on wooden floor or carpets upstairs. It didn't seem to matter, it picked up every little bit. We also have a little holder here for our nozzles. AEG are absolutely amazing, because if you're anything like me, I lose these all the time. As you can see, we've got the brush end, the nozzle, and it also splits open for the carpets. Overall this Hoover has been absolutely amazing. I definitely would buy an AEG Hoover again. I have recommended it to my friends and family. My mum came over to use it the other week when I first got it, and she has now put an order in for one. Thank you for listening to my review.